Let's start the presentation. And the major contents I would like to speak as to understand UAE as a basic information introduction and understanding the Dubai map, the major roads. And I would like to speak as a zone category wise to understand major real estate projects and how the PSO varies between each zones. So as a UAE is a basic information, it was started like as a crucial state because before 1971, Dubai has a different like crucial state. So UAE is a different crucial state. So these crucial states were called as Emirates. There are seven Emirates before Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah. So in 1971, all are like formed as a federal union, and it was again formed as a UAE. So once as a Dubai's UAE is started, Abu Dhabi constitute the major like portion of the UAE. Around 84 to 87 percentage of the land mass Abu Dhabi is constituting. So the total population of the UAE is exceeding 11 million by this year. So if you see the map of the Abu Dhabi, like UAE, you can see the Abu Dhabi constitute the major area, and it's all interconnected between the roads from south to north. It is like connected between the various roads. And if you see the comparison of the Dubai, let us example, like it is at least like 5% of the overall. So, but population wise, Dubai and Abu Dhabi is having a similar population trend. So this is one of the major reasons Dubai is having a higher transactions in real estate or like a more number of residential projects because of this population difference. And let us go to the next slide. And so this is a picture of the Dubai. May not be like clear, but I'll just explain between the left side of this map is Abu Dhabi, and towards the right side is the Sharjah. So the land area of Dubai is 4,000 square kilometer with a coastal line from left to right is around 72 kilometer. And the population, as I told, it is close to 4 million. And expat population, interestingly, around 90% of population are expat here. And if you see the trend of this population, it has been increasing subsequently over the years. So right now we are at a 4 million of population trend in Dubai. Okay. So before I talk Dubai, so we need to understand major highways first, and there are different highways which is the transport of people, the logistics, commercial, all activities. So the major highway of UAE is called Sheikh Zayed Road, and in number terms, it is called E11. So all of you knowing this road because this is constituting the primary source of transport for everyone as a daily life. So this has an overall length of around 558 kilometers, which is from the Abu Dhabi side towards the Ras Al Khaimah. So interestingly, this road is touching all the Emirates, seven Emirates from Abu Dhabi till Ras Al Khaimah. And this road has got each name in the Emirates. And for example, for Dubai and Abu Dhabi, we call it as Sheikh Zayed Road. But if you go to Sharjah, Ajman, and Al Quwain, this road E11 will be written as Al Ittihad Road. It may not be written as a Sheikh Zayed Road, and the name changes in each emirate. And in Ras Al Khaimah, it is written as Sheikh Mohammed bin Salim Road. So the name changes in each emirates because of the naming convention. Any question from the participant on this?
No, sir.
Yeah. So after explaining the roads, I'll come back to the map on a detail level. So I just want to like experience the different roads first before I go to the map discussion. So now coming back to the next highway, the major highway E311 road. This is called Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. And this is also connecting from Abu Dhabi till Ras Al Khaimah. And has an overall span of 225 kilometers from Abu Dhabi till Ras Al Khaimah. because the reason the other road has more distance is that it is touching from the border of the Abu Dhabi. That's why it has got a bigger kilometer. So this road is starting from the midway of the Abu Dhabi. That's why it is shorter in length. So this road has got the same naming convention in all the Emirates. This is not touching the Fujairah. That's why this has no seventh Emirate. It touches only the six Emirates, and it is called as Sheikh Mohammed bin Said Road in as a overall naming convention is same for entire the length of the road. And coming back to the next important highway is the E611, which is the Emirates Road, which is normally used as a truck transportation, but people use it for the daily commute as well. And this has an overall length of 160 kilometers, covering all the major Emirates from Abu Dhabi till Ras Al Khaimah, and commonly known as Emirates Road in all the Emirates. And coming back to the fourth important highway is the E44 Dubai Hatta Road, also commonly known as Al Khail Road. And this road actually act as a like alternative road to the Sheikh Zayed Road, which is a very important road connecting to the major parts of Dubai. So this road is called Al Khail Road, commonly known as Al Khail Road. But each intersection of their length, it is name changed to Ras Al Khor Road, Al Awir Road, and Dubai Hatta Highway. So it finally ends to Hatta. So this road starts from the towards intersection from the Sheikh Mohammed bin Said Road to Hatta, and it has an overall length of 118 kilometers. So these are the major four highways road we are going to talk in the coming slides. And there is one more road called Dubai Al Ain Road, but which we are not covered in this section. Which connects between Dubai and Al Ain. Al Ain is a city in Abu Dhabi. Okay. Any questions from the listeners?
All good.
Yeah. So now we are going to talk Dubai as a different zones. So these different zones are not classified as based on the real estate PSF, but mainly on the like coastal line and how it is coastal line different from each area. So this is classified from coastal areas and in different roads, and it is intersecting. So coming back to the zone one is the major area of Dubai development. And when it started in 1971, Dubai has the historic towns called Dera, Karama, Bardubai is the major cultural neighborhood area. So when you speak about these areas, these are the culture hood part of Dubai. So this is the areas which is constituting. So during 1971, in order to improve the trade routes of Dubai, Dubai has drenched this canal. This is all a creek, and this is a water passage between the Dera and Karama areas, which helps the trade to come inside these areas. So this was one of the like strategic initiative done by the government of Dubai to boost the trading activities. So all these areas are leasehold areas where like we are not able to own for a unlimited amount of time. So only the GCC people can, GCC citizens can own these properties in this area. And when you speak about the like seafront areas, these are the coastline. So from left to right, around 72 kilometer is the fixed coastline, not considering the Palm Jumeirah and the man-made island. So the length of this coastline is 72 kilometers, which is fixed. And there are more real estate developments are coming towards this side, which increases the coastal area. And all this zone one has the major important activities landmark like Burj Khalifa, Dubai Frame, Palm Jumeirah, also the DIFC area where the major business like financial banking institutions occurs, JLT, Palm Jumeirah here. And also zone 1 has the major like this highways which has the Sheikh Zayed Road. So if you see the zone 1 starts from the coastal area to the the power lines. If you see, if you travel across the Alkil Road, this is the Alkil Road. So this Alkil Road, there are tower lines situated. So this is the separation. So if you see from, we can call the zone one as the seafront areas towards the Alkil Road. So here you can see the Sheikh Said Road running. So zone one is the areas between the Alkil Road and the seafront. So all the major real estate investments are situated in this area. So the PSF varies from 2,500 to 15,000 AED in this area because of the higher real estate or infrastructural developments here. So major areas includes the around 60 percentage of the top rated schools are in this area and 90 percentage of the high rated hospitals. Because of this reason, the more the real estate PSF increases in this area. So the Marsa Al Arab is having the highest value here around 15,000 AD, which is the luxurious developments here. And also the downtown DIFC Business Bay are all in these areas in the zone one. And if you move towards the south, we can see Dubai Marina, we can see JLT in this area. I know the map is not clear, but I will share the copy of the map which is clear for the your review purpose later. And I will share this presentation also, so you can actually combine both documents and to understand. So the map has a more clear picture from the different document. Okay. And so all these areas are concerning the these are the major real estate projects like Marina, JBR, Jumeirah Lake Towers are all in this area. Okay. Any questions from the listeners?
Good to go.
Yeah. So next we are going to zone 2. Zone 2 is the areas under the Alkil Road and the Sheikh Mohammed bin Said Road. So this road is called Sheikh Mohammed bin Said Road, which is under the zone 1. So zone 2, which constitute of major areas of JVC, JVC, JVT, Dubai Creek Harbor, Dubai Hills Estate, and all these areas. So if you see, this is between the lower boundary of zone 1 and E311. So this orange line is called E311. So these are the road connecting the Abu Dhabi till Sharjah. So how zone 2 will be under the zone 1 and the E311 corridor. So the major real estate investments are JVC, JVT, Majan, Arjan. Dubai Hills Estate is the one of the Imar's top rated master community, 100 square meter, 100 million square meters. And also the Creek Harbor and Shoba Heartland. Also the townhouse and the villa communities include Meida and Nadal Shiba. So the PSF varies between 1,400 to 2,800 in this zone. So this has a lot of suburban areas. It is the midtown area. We can call it as a midtown, which is a transition between the zone 1 and zone 2. So you can see a mix of apartment and villas in these areas, where zone 1 has majorly apartments because of the land restriction. Our zone 2 has a lot of land investments, and there is a mix of apartments and townhouses. Okay. And next we will go to the zone 2 areas. Zone 2 areas will be under the zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 we are going next. And this will be under the zone 2 and the Emirates Road. So this green line is the Emirates Road. So this road has the major suburban investment, majorly townhouses and villas you can see here. So all these areas like Motor City, like Sports City, Arjan are coming under the zone 3. And also the major developers are like Damac. Damac has the Damac Hills, Damac Lagoons. Also Imar has launched Arabian ranches in all this area, zone 3. So because of the large footprint of the areas, there are bigger master communities are here. Also, a prestigious community called Jumeirah Golf Estate are coming in this side. So Jumeirah Golf Estate is a golf themed community, which is like high-end residential villas, apartments here. So and the price PSF varies between 1,600 to 2,200 in these areas. So majorly you can see townhouses and villas in these areas, and more schools also available in these areas. Okay. Any questions from the listeners?
No, sir.
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and now we are going to Zone 4. Zone 4 is the starting of the desert region in Dubai. However, there are mix of residential investment here, and it is the like upcoming areas because these are the land passes remaining in the in UAE, because no other areas majorly the investments are all done and the projects are going on. So this is the areas only the land passes are available right now, and which has major projects like Damak Hills 2 in this area. If you can see the under the portion is called Damak Hills 2, and Imar Mira Oasis community is already there, and Damak Islands phase 1 and 2 is coming here. So if you see this area is Damak Islands phase 1 and 2. Also the Cherrywood Miras, which is already a delivered project. So this areas the PSF varies between 1,600 to 2,000 1,900, and is targeting to reach 2,300 to 400 in the coming areas, and because of the more residential projects. And when we talk about the investment, this will be the good area for investment because of the lower PSF. And one good example is the Damag Island phase 1 and 2, and where the PSF starts from 1,300 onwards. So still the projects phase 2 units are available. So it's a good like opportunity for investment in these areas because of the lower PSF currently. And more expansion is increasing in the E611 highway. So and also the Etihad rail. This black line is called Etihad. And once all this and also the new airport, the Maktoum airport is coming in this area. This is in the zone 5. I will be touching next slide here. And all these areas constitute the like PSF like increase in the zone 4. Okay. And next zone is the zone 5, which is the like boundary will be the this road is called Dubai Expo Road, and this is the 611 road and the Sheikh Zayed road. So zone 5 is majorly called as like Dubai south side, and which has the major attractions like upcoming airport, the Maktoum airport in 2030. So this will be the like one of the major transition from the old airport to new airport. So this movement of the airport will bring a lot of people, the working class people, logic city. The Expo City is already active here, and Dubai South is one of the major residential investment because of this reason. The currently the PSF is ranging from 1,400 to 2,000 on various projects. So the Imar is launching recently launched another project in Imar South and a golf district. So the PSF is around 1,400 onwards. So this is also a good opportunity for investment because of the lower PSF. So zone 4 and zone 5 will be the as a real estate lower entry points we can available. So this is the one of the crucial states of investment. Currently, once the airport starts moving, the price starts increasing substantially. So the major developers are in this areas, Expo City, which has developed the Expo City as a government developer. Also, they have got a residential investment across the Expo City. Also, the Imar South, a major like developer in UAE, has multiple like townhouse and apartments in the Imar South. Also, South Bay and is also another developer there. So they also have a townhouse and villa, and there are a lot of private developers also in Dubai South. So currently, Zone 4 and Zone 5 has got more real estate projects because of the availability of the land masses. Okay. Any questions from the listeners on all the zones? Yeah. So this is like the like overall short categorization of the Dubai as a whole. But in the next webinar, we will touch majorly on all each zones on a like a descriptive level. So which are the projects on zone 1 which already appreciated and good chance for again investment, because there are newer projects coming in the island side, Maritime City and Rashid Yachts, and there are some like seafront opportunities in Palm Jumeirah as well. So these are the like explanation on the Dubai map on a Dubai road as well. So any questions from the participant, like how we are targeting on the investment level? I know some of the participants joined late, but however, I will share all this like materials and the Dubai map, so you can actually read this in conjunction. And for the next like webinar, we will go in detail on the different seafront projects, understand Dubai islands, and also Ras Al Khaimah projects as well. Okay.
Yeah, hi, Ajeesh.
Hi, Gaurav sir.
Yeah, could you brief like what are the best zone for the big land parcels?
Big land, like your investment, like targeting on the land, right? Plots.
Yeah, land parcels means like if someone is looking for big land for townhouse, schools and hospitals or residential community.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for the question, Mr. Gaurav. So in Dubai, there are different areas where you can buy the land and like make your investment. So one of the good opportunity is in the Dubai, is the Jebel Ali Hills, where you are getting the land parcels for townhouse and villas. So minimum investment, like you can get a plot size of 10,000 square feet if you want to create like a big like semi-detached villa. However, you can also get plots in JVC as well, JVC or DLRC. You can get plots for the like commercial or residential investments, like apartments, or even you can get plots in JVC for the residential and hospital units. Another like plots you can get high end residential if you are looking, you can get in Nadal Shiba. So the price of the Nadal Shiba plots are varying at 1,380 per square feet on like a plot level. So that's a bit like a very high end residential plots. However, if you are looking for a mid range, DLRC will be a good option. However, there are limited plots are available in DLRC. And if you planning to go in a like a medium level, you can buy the plots in Ajman and Sharjah as well. So the PSF varies from 250 to 300 onwards in Sharjah. So there are places like Al Helio or Al Sahia. These are the areas you can get a better plots, and you can make your own like townhouses and you can resell.
Okay.
So the plots prices you can get a minimum of 700,000 AD onwards in Ajman.
Okay. And is there any aggressive plan from Abu Dhabi also because they have a big land parcel and there is less development there?
So Abu Dhabi has a bigger land parcel, but most of the lands are like towards their oil side. Like it's not still good for residential investment. Like they are primarily focused on the city investment. So the land pass is more towards the desert side or their oil and gas infrastructure side.
Okay, fine. So you said
So yeah.
DLRs and Palm Jubilee, right?
Yeah, you can get in JVC, you can get in DLRC, you can get in Maidan as well, but Maidan land parcel is very expensive,
Okay, fine.
and also in Jebel Ali Hills. So I can send you like a list of the places where you can invest after the call when you connect to me. Yeah,
Okay, fine. Thank you.
yeah. So thanks. So your main focus on apartments or like commercial, like
Only on the land
I
parcel, which
mean,
is more than 10,000 square feet or so. Yeah.
oh, 10,000 square feet, Jebel Ali Hills will be a good area for
Okay,
investment.
fine.
Because right now the prices are varies between 280 to 480 per square feet.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any other question?
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
I good. Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. So I joined a bit late, so I might have missed a few points. But I wanted to ask how the zone categorization help us uh, identify what is the target investor we are reaching out to? Like, what will be the target investor for each of the categories we have studied all the zones?
Your voice was not absolutely clear, but there was a bit of. Can you just text me in the chat box? Because I couldn't hear you properly because of the background noise.
That's all.
Yeah. So the question was in each zone, like how to target investor segments. So that's a good question. So in each zone, the PSF varies between the the residential unit pricing. So suppose you get a 5 million AED of investor, you can target this for zone one, because you can get a good apartment, like a two-bedroom apartment in DIFC or downtown or Business Bay. So in each, also on the requirement from the customer, like if client is looking for if looking for a something close to Sheikh Zayed Road or something close to the water, seafront properties, because seafront properties one bedroom starts at 2.4 to 3 million onwards. So if we can focus those clients on towards the waterfront requirement in this budget. So based on the budget and what are they required, what kind of amenities they are looking for. So, because sometimes they are maybe looking on a like a townhouse or a villa living. So in this budget, we can actually go with the zone two category, because zone one, we don't have much like townhouse or villa on this budget, because most of the townhouses and villa are on Palm Jumeirah side where the prices are high. Like we should have a budget of 40 million onwards on the Palm Jumeirah townhouse villas. So based on the budget of the client, we can target which residential projects are good for them. Having said that, right now the newer projects are coming in zone 4 and zone 5. And as an investor point, we will always suggest to invest in zone 4 and zone 5 for better appreciation. Is it clear, Tanya?
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone else, if you would like to ask anything? Okay, then if you don't have other questions, then we can wind up. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it was a wonderful session and it was insightful. Thank you so much, Mr.
Hello.
Hi. Thanks, Mr. Mukesh. Hi.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just want to let me know what is the war situation now in Dubai, because I want to approach the client, but I'm not clear about the
Yeah.
situation.
So, as you know that there is an agreement is going to sign in June 19th. That's the latest news I saw. US is going to sign an
Mm,
agreement with Iran on this June 19th. So there will be like deal. There will be no war. So now,
okay.
since this is going to be an agreement, all this offers the developers, because right now there are many offers are going in with a lot of developers. So since this agreement is going to happen, they might be like pulling back a lot of offers, because since situation is under control. So it's a good opportunity in the last week, I would say.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So you're from basically from India or like outside of UAE?
I mean, from India only, Avinash.
Okay. Hi, Anish. Yes. Hi. So this is going to be end soon. In this week, this agreement is signing, and now we can see the market is
Currently, the
coming back.
airspace is open or it is closed.
Airspace is open. Airspace is open for long back actually. From
Okay.
May onwards, it was open. The flights are going. Only they are restricting certain airlines to fly to UAE.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. If no questions, then we can wind up the call.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I will just text my number. Just send me a WhatsApp so I can share the materials which we discussed in the call. Okay, this is my number, so you can note down and share like in a WhatsApp message, so you can share the presentation materials for your review. Okay, everyone.
Done.
Okay, thanks everyone.